Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created a portal and pages. We will continue our training by linking the pages together and editing the welcome page. We will continue from where we left off in the last video, which was the portal customer portal page. Okay, we will start by linking the portal pages together. Scroll down to the pages section and locate the customer edit page. Select the properties link, and in the page properties, ensure that the destination page is set to customer view page. Then click the save button. Once again, scroll down to the pages section and locate the customer registration page. Select the properties link, and in the page properties, set the destination page to customer view page. And click save. Okay, we will now edit the welcome page. Scroll down to the pages section and locate the welcome page. Okay, now click the edit link. We are now taken to the design page. From the create section, drag and drop a new HTML component onto the bottom of the page. Ensure the new component is highlighted, then select the edit button. In the editor, we will now type some welcome text. Here you can adjust the font size, color, and alignment of the welcome text. Then click the Save button in the editor. In the Available Component section, locate an entry for Customer Login Page, drag the Customer Login Page component, and drop it onto the bottom of the main page section. Ensure the Customer Login Page component is highlighted, then click the Edit button. Using the HTML editor, change the text to Existing Customer Login, and click Save. In the Available Component section, drag and drop the Customer Registration Page component into the main page section under the Login Page component. Ensure it is highlighted, and then click the Edit button. In the HTML editor, change the text to New Customer, Register Here, and click the Save button. On the design page, welcome page, click the Save button to finish this process, and the portal customer portal page is displayed. And that's it for this video. We have linked the pages together and edited the welcome page. In the next video, we will edit the customer registration and customer view pages. Thanks for watching.